In this video, I will be showing you how to blend two images in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I navigate to the top right corner of the Canva homepage and click on the Create a Design button. From the drop-down menu of design formats, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open a fresh, blank canvas for our project. Once the blank canvas loads, I head over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top of the panel, I type in Graduation Portrait to find suitable photos for this demonstration. After pressing Enter, I click on the Photos tab to narrow down the results specifically to high-quality portrait photographs. I browse through the available options and select a photo of a smiling graduate wearing a cap and gown. Once it appears on the canvas, I right-click on the image and select Set Image as Background so that it smoothly expands to fill the entire canvas area. Next, I scroll back through the search results to find a second picture to layer on top. I pick a photo showing a graduate viewed from behind, holding up her graduation cap, and click it so it sits directly on top of our background image. Now, to blend these two images together seamlessly, I head over to the left sidebar once again and click on Apps. In the search bar inside the Apps section, I search for Image Blender and launch the app. Within the Image Blender dashboard, I select the Fade Tool option. Under the Fade Tools menu, I choose the Radial Fade style. A circular control overlay immediately appears on top of our image on the canvas. I click and drag the radial circle across the subject, positioning the gradient focal point right where I want the soft transition to occur. To fine-tune the effect, I move over to the left panel and adjust the strength slider, sliding it back and forth to find the perfect level of transparency so the edges blend smoothly into the background. Once I am happy with how the gradient looks, I click the Save button at the bottom of the tool panel. Finally, I grab the handles on the image frame to resize it and position it neatly on the right half of the canvas, ensuring that both photos blend into one cohesive and professional-looking composition. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to blend two images in Canva.